Alright my friends, we've got a glorious update making this ultimate delta indicator even more ultimate. Notice the pretty new colors. There's new color options for the histogram. There's color options for printing the candles based on delta. And there's 3 levels of delta diamonds. We've got so many different visual options now to help you see order flow on the charts in whatever kind of style that you like. And these are all options. You can turn them on or off. You can still have the regular histogram with just the green and the red. But now on the charts, you can see when we've got a maximum amount of delta coming in, a light amount of delta, a medium amount of delta, still have the divergence signals, these yellow triangles. You can see when we start getting some negative delta coming in, more negative delta, more negative delta. And then when there's candles where there's just not very much delta in either direction, we've got the neutral candles. So you can see right here, nothing but neutral candles. We're just in this chop zone. There's not a lot of delta coming through. But now in real time on each tick, we get the color change of the delta starting to turn a light green. It also changes on each tick for the candle color. Start getting the light green candle. The diamonds still only print on bar close, and that is absolutely by choice. That's how I want it coded, so that's how it is. Otherwise these diamonds will be printing in the middle of the candles. Sometimes there would be diamonds on both sides. It would get very confusing. But the histogram colors and the candle colors print on each tick in real time. So if you're trading on the 1 minute chart like I am, you can see these candles in the histogram change colors in between the candles as the delta's coming in. You can see pre-market, there's a lot of neutral candles, but you can see when we get the influxes of light positive and light negative delta, as well as the go-to divergence signals, these golden triangles. So let's take a look under the hood at the new MMT Ultimate Delta upgraded version. It's got everything the old indicator has. We can choose up-down tick mode or bid-ask mode for the delta type. We can have it print cumulative delta, and you can see we get the histogram color changes just the same. Delta diamonds and the candles are the same. Just going to put that back in per bar calculation mode. So here we have the new delta candles section. You can have it paint the bars. There's an option to paint the outlines of the candles. And here are the 3 levels. And these will apply to the delta diamonds. You can also apply the colors to the histogram. You can apply these colors to the outline of the histogram. But there's 3 fully customizable threshold levels. For the NQ 1 minute chart, I like my level 1 at 100, level 2 at 200, level 3 at 300. And this will be completely different depending on what instrument and time frame that you like to trade on. If you were trading the ES, for example, you would probably want these numbers much higher. You can also turn each level on or off. Maybe I don't want to see this first level 1. I don't want to see the level 1 diamonds either. So now those level 1 diamonds and bar colors do not show up. They stay neutral. We're only getting level 2 and level 3. I'm just going to leave all those on for now. So you can fully customize all the different colors for neutral, level 1, level 2, level 3. Here's the option to apply the levels to the histogram or not to. If I uncheck this, you'll see my histogram is just the way it was in the original version. I'm going to put those back on. For the delta diamond section, you can turn these on or off. You can choose whether you want to see level 1, level 2, level 3, or all of the above. You can change the offset if I want to make these further away from the candles. There's also now a sound alert function for the delta diamonds. So you can choose your own sound alert to be notified if one of these diamonds prints. I still have the delta waves signals. Now I've got the red and the green triangles. You see the delta is decreasing here. We're getting the delta waves to the downside. You see delta is increasing over several candles. We start getting the delta waves to the upside every time it starts increasing. You can see here as we're making new highs, we have delta decreasing, so we're getting these delta waves to the downside. I originally coded the delta waves to work specifically on the per bar delta calculation mode. However, you can use these on the cumulative mode. The delta waves signals will be different, but there's also some creative ways to use them in cumulative mode. but I originally did code them to work for per bar delta mode. Then we also still have the delta divergence section. I've got this on with a look back period of 3. See, we got a nice delta divergence signal up here. And then you can still choose all your colors for the histogram and the wicks. So yes, the MMT Ultimate Delta is even more amazing. And as always, anyone that already owns this indicator, this is a free upgrade. You get free upgrades for life. And for all the different amazing options available on this indicator, I think the price is absolutely incredible, especially compared to everything else that's out there. This is the kind of delta indicator that I wished was out there when I started. So like I've mentioned many times before, these are just indicators that I'm creating that I want to be trading with myself every single day. And I'm also making them available to the public if anyone else is interested. So anyone that already owns this indicator, just go into your user area, download the latest version, and then import it into NinjaTrader. And when prompted, just click yes to replace the old version, and you should be good to go. If you don't yet have this indicator and are interested, there's links in the description. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And if you're enjoying this content, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Best of luck in your trading. Have a great day.